Hello students, welcome to Science video session. Today we are going to see third term unit 1, our environment. Come, let's get into the video session.
Term 3 Unit 1 Lesson name Our Environment. Through this lesson, we are going to learn about biotic and abiotic factors, interaction between biotic and abiotic factors, balancing ecosystem, and importance of planting trees. Now, let's learn about the environmental factors. Our environment consists of everything around us. It has living and non-living things. We are surrounded by living things such as plants and animals, and non-living things such as water bodies, sunlight, air, and land. The living and non-living things in our environment interact with one another. Our environment is a wonderful gift to us given by the nature. Our environment has two main factors: biotic factors, abiotic factors. Let us study about biotic factors. Living organisms in our environment are called biotic factors. Example: lion, plantains, dove, human being, etc. Abiotic factors. Non-living things in our environment are called abiotic factors. Example: air, soil, water, sunlight, temperature, etc. Now, let us study about the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors, abiotic factors. They can breathe and grow. They cannot breathe and grow. They need food to live. They do not need food to live. They can feel. They cannot feel. They give birth to young ones. They do not give birth to young ones. These are the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. Our next topic is about interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. Shall we move on? All biotic factors depends upon abiotic factors for their living. Biotic and abiotic factors are linked to each other by the flow of energy through food. Plants are the most important among all the living organisms because they only can make food from abiotic factors like air, soil, water, and sunlight. Here are a few examples for interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. Our next heading is about balanced ecosystem. It is important for the food chain to exist in any ecosystem to make sure that the energy flows between the biotic and abiotic factors. A balanced ecosystem supports animals, plants, and microorganisms to grow in their environment. An ecosystem is balanced when the biotic and abiotic factors are able to cycle the energy and food as per their need. The biotic factors in an ecosystem includes producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, the living things that can prepare their own food, are called producers. Green plants are the producers. They make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Hence, they are called primary producers. Humans and animals depend on plants for their food. Consumers, the living things that eat the food prepared by the producers are called consumers. Most of the living things depends directly or indirectly on producers for their food. Consumers can be divided into three types based on their food as herbivorous, plant-eating animal, carnivorous, flesh-eating animal, omnivorous, both plant and flesh-eating animals. Next, decomposers. Organisms that feed on the waste, dead plants and animals are called decomposers. They return the nutrients to the soil. Example, bacteria, fungi. Our last topic in the lesson is about plant sapling. A young plant with a thin stem is known as a sapling. Survival of living things is impossible without plants. Planting and taking care of plants lead to a good environment. Now, let us see the benefits of plants. Provides oxygen for breathing. Provides food and shelter to living things. Absorbs harmful gases and smoke from the surrounding. Help in bringing rainfall. Give wood for making furniture. Offer a good environment to live. So children, I hope you would have understood this lesson, our environment. Let us meet in the next video session. Thank you.